and hopefully it works out. And if it doesn't work out, like, I don't know, fuck me, I guess.
Fuck me, I guess. Fuck me, I guess.
I'm guessing you could probably tell by the intro that I don't like this painting. And there's a lot of different reasons why I ended up hating the end result of this piece, but a large reason why is that my application of color just didn't work. I'm new to color. I'm still figuring it out, especially with wet mediums. I'm used to very value-focused art or very line-focused art, and I'm still trying to push myself to get out of that boundary that I've created. So come with me to watch the process of me making something that I don't like, and maybe you'll find some kind of joy in that. I don't know.